Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to reinstall deleted Xbox game bar on Windows 11. So firstly click on start. Now here type Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. Complete sign in process if you need. Then here type Xbox game bar. Select Xbox game bar. Now click on get. Now once you download, just click on open. So this is the way guys you can reinstall Xbox Game Bar on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and guys please comment this video useful for you or not, and also guys please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.